Alberta's roads the engines roar, where prairie meets the pine. 7 chapters answer when the grand chapter gives a sign. Bound for Rocky Mountain House, where brothers gather near. 20 years of unity built on honor, roads, and cheer. From the mighty peace they thunder, Grande Prairie leads the way. Grand Cache and Beaver Lodge have watched these brothers ride all day. The Yukon is their playground, where the northern ravens fly. Now they turn their wheels toward fellowship beneath Alberta's sky. From the oil sand rolling southward, Fort McMurray answers strong. Past Cold Lake and Athabasca, they've carried miles so long. Steel and leather, hearts united, every mile another vow to stand beside their brothers where the mountain shadows bow. Alberta's capital region, Edmonton, they proudly claim. Cornerstone rides far for charity and fellowship their flame. Strong in purpose, rich in service, every handshake freely given. Building bonds that last a lifetime, guided by the light within. From the hoodoos and the coolies, where the ancient giants lay. Drumheller's winds still whisper of another bygone day. Tyrants ruled that land before them, now the V-twins own the sound. As the Badlands roll toward unity across Alberta ground. Youngest chapter, small in number, but their spirit can't be tamed. Airdrie is a place they gather, brotherhood their claim to fame. First to welcome weary riders, every stranger leaves a friend. Wise beyond their years together, riding strong until the end. In the Rockies' rugged shadow, where the cowboy trails begin, Longview, Cochrane, Foothill valleys know the roads they've traveled in. Leaving shires for loyal brothers, every mile worth the ride. Toward the call of unity, with Alberta's heart as guide. From the deep south they come riding, where old Frank's great mountain fell. Lethbridge, Medicine Hat, behind them stories only they can tell. Outrunning antelope beneath the endless prairie blue. Heading north with steady purpose, faithful, tested, strong and true.
East of the Rockies, west of the rest, north of the 49th, Alberta stands its best.
7 chapters, 1 brotherhood, forever side by side. The Alberta Grand Chapter calls, come saddle up and ride. Of unity, may the road go ever on. The level keeps us equal till the breaking of the dawn. When the engine's finally quiet and the campfire starts to glow, the widow's sons ride home again, as brothers always know.